guys, what's up? It's me, Jaytee, and welcome back to my channel. Wow, I kind of miss doing that intro because it's been a while since the last time I uploaded here. But anyway, I'm back and I'm very excited and very happy because for today's video, we are going to do a musical instrument review from Popumusic. So shout out to Popumusic for being kind enough to send me your newest instrument in the market, and that is the PopuPiano. So by the way, if you're interested with the instrument, which I'm going to show you later, I will leave the product link and the product description on the description box below. So yeah, without further ado, let's move on to the PopuPiano review. So a quick trivia about me, guys, is that I actually learned to play the piano first, then the ukulele, because I started to play the piano when I was 8 or 9 years old, something. And I actually learned to play the ukulele when I was already in college. So that's a trivia for this video. So yeah, anyway, the first thing that I'm gonna show you today is the Popu bag. This bag is really lightweight, very cool, very aesthetic, and very beautiful. I like the colors on this front part of the bag. It's actually a plastic one, and it's an ombre shade of orange, purple, and blue. And as you can notice, the logo of the Popumusic has been changed already. And the back portion, we actually have this zipper right here, which actually says Popu bag. There you go. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but yeah, that's for the bag. So the next thing that I'm gonna show you is the PopuPiano. So here it is today. It's very beautiful. It's small. It looks like a toy at first, but it's actually a very cool and powerful instrument. So by the way, this instrument comes in two different colors. The other one is black and this one is in sparkling white. So aside from the PopuPiano, we also have the Chord Pad, which is this one, this little square right here. And what's cool about this one is that you can connect the Chord Pad with the PopuPiano magnetically, like this one. It's actually a magnet, guys. And there is this part of the instrument where you can connect the circuit with the Chord Pad and the PopuPiano. So yep, there you go. So this is the section, or this is the part of the PopuPiano where you can connect your Type-C charging cable, or you can also use that USB cable to connect it onto your computer. So yeah. Now going back to the PopuPiano, we actually have these two buttons right here. This one is the power button, and this one, these two buttons, the one that is going to the left and going to the right, that is where you can adjust the octave of your instrument. So let's turn on the PopuPiano and you can see the magic. Shading! Woo! That's actually cool. It's kind of bright here in my room, but if you're going to turn on this instrument during nighttime, it's really cool and amazing. So it's actually an LED keyboard, and it has rainbow lights on it where you can also change each of these lights into whichever color you want it to be. And that's really cool. So let's try to connect the Chord Pad, and you can see also the magic. There you go. Blah, cha-ching, cha-ching. All right, so that's how it works. But the thing with this PopuPiano is that it doesn't work if you don't have a device or you don't have a program or a software that is compatible with this one. But the first thing that I advise you is, of course, you need to download the Popumusic app on your smartphones, just like this one. Oops. Okay. Wait a sec. Or you can also use the GarageBand on your iPad or on your MacBook, or you can download some compatible softwares for your Windows, if you're using Windows and stuff. Alright, so this is actually the Popumusic app. So this musical instrument was built to be connected to a device or a program that is compatible with it, because it doesn't have any external speakers. So going back to the PopuPiano app, which is here on my smartphone, we can see here a lot of different things. We have pop hits, master tips, tap and sing, free play, inspirations, and a PopuPiano, where you can learn the basics on how to play a piano, like basic hand shape, chords, etudes, and a whole lot more. Now, the first thing that you're going to do with this app is, of course, you need to connect it to your PopuPiano via Bluetooth. Okay, so we have here this little icon right here. It's a Bluetooth icon, so you're just going to click that. And you can also see the PopuPiano here. So let's just click the piano, and we are going to click confirm. Okay, so in that way, it will be connected via Bluetooth. So on the screen, you can see the PopuPiano and the Chord Pad. And on the bottom, you can see here a lot of different instruments. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but we have here like piano, strings, guitar, bass, percussion, and a whole lot of different instruments. So if you want to change the tune of your PopuPiano into a guitar, you can actually do that. If you want it to be like a marimba or a drums, you can actually do that by just clicking as to which instrument you wanted your PopuPiano to sound. Since it's already connected, what I'm gonna do is press any key on my keyboard. Alright, so actually the sound that you are currently hearing right now is coming out from my phone and not from the PopuPiano, because again, as I have said earlier, you really need to connect it into a device so that the output or the sound of the PopuPiano can be heard. So that's how powerful the Popumusic app is. So actually you can do a lot of stuff here, adjust the settings of your PopuPiano and stuff. And also what's cool about this app is that you can download it both on Android and App Store. Alright, so going back, the sound that you can actually hear again from the PopuPiano is coming out from my app since I already connected it via Bluetooth. But the volume of my phone is kind of low. So what I usually do is that I'll grab my speaker. I have here the AUX cable and I'm just going to connect it like that. And wait a sec.
Maximum volume.
Alright, it says it's already in maximum volume. So let's grab the PopuPiano and let's try to press some keys. Alright, so that's actually much better, right? It's much louder this time, unlike earlier, which is very low since the volume of my phone is, I don't know. Alright, so let's try to play some songs using the PopuPiano. Okay, so this time, let's try to play a song using the Pop Hits button right here. So let's click that and it will redirect you to a library of different songs that you can play from. The thing is, it's like a Piano Tiles game on your phone. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna show you. Let's click movie and we are going to play My Heart Will Go On. It's gonna be on the list because I have tried it earlier. Alright, there you go. It says it's easy, so yeah. Alright, so let's just, let's click play. And by the way, there's a leaderboard section in here where you can see the different usernames and also their score. So yeah, it's actually a game. Let's play. There you go. And let's just follow the lights on the keyboard. There you go. Okay, there we go, and it says victory. Good job. So I got 89 points right there. You can also share it to the people in the Popumusic app. You can share it by clicking share edition. You can just play it again, or you just can exit the Pop Hits feature of the Popumusic app. So that's how easy it is. Okay, so going back, we also have different sections in here. We can have like tap and sing. We can create your songs, and you can share it with other people. We also have here the PopuPiano, where you can learn the basics and how to play a piano, like basic hand shape and all. We have also different etudes right here. And yeah, whenever you are done with the first section, it will unlock you to a different section, and you can just choose any sections that you would like to. Okay, so that's how this Popumusic app works. There's something about his hand holding mine. It's a feeling that's fine, and I just gotta say, this really got a magical spell, and it's working so well, and I can get away. Well, I'm a lucky woman, and I just gotta tell him that I love him endlessly, because love grows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me. Now, for my final thoughts about the PopuPiano, what I can say is that it is a super powerful and amazing instrument. From the LED rainbow lights, which is really cool and awesome, to the build quality, to the very aesthetic Popu bag, everything is totally amazing. I mean, the overall features and experience with the PopuPiano and the Chord Pad will really help beginner piano players to improve their skills, since the Popumusic app also offers a lot of interactive materials for learning and entertainment. Indeed, this smart piano takes you from novice player to pro track maker using a fresh approach to learning. So overall, I would say I'll give this instrument a 9 out of 10. So that's it for our video today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know your thoughts about the PopuPiano on the comment section below. And again, if you're interested with this instrument, I will leave the product link and the product description on the description box below, so be sure to check out that one. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!